everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, your gateway to the world of operating system. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, I've got you covered. So let's dive into the heart of computing and hit the subscribe button and let's explore the OS together.
Good day everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn on how to install Ubuntu server in VirtualBox. So first, we need to download the ISO file for the Ubuntu server installation disk. So all you have to do is to search Ubuntu server on your preferred browser. In here, just click this link from ubuntu.com and then click download Ubuntu server 22.04.3 LTS. Once you click it, it will automatically download the file and it will be prompted for you to save the file. So click on save the file and click OK. I will skip this part because I already downloaded mine, so I don't have to do that. So let's proceed to our VirtualBox. And now we're on our VirtualBox. So we are going to create our virtual machine. So click new, this button to create, and then type the name of your file. So I will call it Ubuntu 22.04.3 and the type will be Linux and the version will be Ubuntu 64-bit and then click on next. For the memory size, in here, 1 GB of RAM is good enough for the server, so you can click on next. And for the hard disk, you can leave it as a default because it doesn't require a lot. So click next. And for the hard disk file type, just choose the VDI or the VirtualBox disk image and then click on it. For the storage on physical hard disk, a dynamically allocated hard disk file will only use space on your physical hard disk. So choose the dynamically allocated. Click on next. For the file location and size, you can increase it on what you prefer. So I'll just type as 15 GB. For the future usage, click on create. And now we are back on this page. So go to settings because we are going to leave basic assist. So go to general and click the advanced tab and on shared clipboard, change it to the bidirectional and the drag and drop is going to stay disabled because the server don't have a graphical user interface unless you install one of them. So we're going to leave it and then go to the system, disable the floppy, and then go to the display area and increase a little bit this video memory up to 80 MB. And now go to the storage and click this empty and you can see this image. So we're going to add here our Ubuntu server file. So choose a disk file and choose Ubuntu live server. In here, there make sure that we choose the right file. So the live server. So after that, go to the audio and disable the audio. And lastly, when it comes to settings, we're going to modify the network. So the attached to, change it to bridge adapter. This will allow our virtual machine to get an IP address from the router in your house instead from virtual machine. So always remember when it comes to server, we need an access from our outside of our virtual environment. So this will allow us to do everything we want in our server. So in my case, I am connected with using Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi card is going to appear in here. So probably in your case, when you are using Ethernet, you can see it under the name tab. So after that, when it comes to serial port, USB, shared folders, and user interface, we're going to leave it as is. So please click on OK and then we're going to install our Ubuntu server. So click on our Ubuntu and then click on Start. In here, I can see that the Ubuntu server is very easy to install and straightforward than the installation of the desktop. So I'm going to let the installation go through. Please, you can use the arrow keys to select which entry is highlighted, and you can use enter key, or yeah, it automatically installs the VirtualBox. So as you can remember, it is highlighted on installing the server. So just let it to continue with the installation. So the first thing that he does is to check the disk integrity if the disk is correct or okay. So the download went correct. So yeah, it is good. So let's start it. Let's get it started. It's almost done. So just wait for a while. So in here, this is the first screen of the installation or the configuration. So just choose or select your language. So the default language is English. So I'm just going to press enter. So it is asking for if you want to update your installer. So I'm just going to update to the new installer. After that, when it comes to keyboard configuration, it's just going to ask you um if you have an English keyboard. So if yes, just press enter and choose type of install. So I'll choose the Ubuntu server. So just click done or press enter. So when it comes to network connection, the IP address that I'm getting here is the IP address that is similar to the IP address of my computer, because now the virtual machine is getting an IP address from my router and my phone. It's not getting it from the computer itself. If this window you get an 10.0 IP address, make sure that your network card is bridged. That's normally the reason why you didn't get the right IP address. Over here, if you have an actual subnet in your house, is a 10.0, then you will get the right IP address. So the best way to do this is to check your IP address using command prompt. So let's check mine. So just type IP20 and then press enter. So we're going to compare our first two octets here if it is same or matches with our network connection. So as you can see, 192.168 and same with our IP address, IPv4 address. So just click or press done, and then when it comes to the config proxy, just press enter. Over here, as you can see that the mirror address is correct. So it uses PH. So I'm in the Philippines, so it is correct. So just click or press enter to click done. And in this storage configuration is going to ask you these changes that we're going to make to do this virtual machine. Just press enter because that's correct, and just sort of to highlight it on button and then press enter. So in here, as you can see that we're using the right search. So the local disk is using 15 GB and the partition is 1 MB. So just press enter, and then are you sure you want to continue? Press continue. And for the profile setup, just you just need to fill out the information that you'll need when you're going to log into the system. So for the name, I just type put Nicole, and for the server's name will be web server. And for the username, I just input again Nicole, and for the password, just use the strong password. And then go tab and press enter. In here, you can see from the beginning, I'm just using my keyboard or the tab, enter, arrow keys, space bar. So, you don't need to use your mouse. when selecting or choosing whatever you want. So just press enter to continue. So it's asking you to create your Ubuntu server to Ubuntu Pro. So I'll just keep it for now. So press enter because the X is the yes or no skip for now. So press enter. For the SSH setup, we're going to use the SSH in the server. So please press spacebar to select the install open SSH server. So import SSS identity. We are not going to import this one. So just press stop until you reach the done or the done is highlighted and then press enter. And then the installation will be prompted to the featured server. Um, in here, I'm not going to use any one of the server services. So just click the tab and click on that. And then let the installer do so. So it takes a while, so we can leave it just as it and then come back like 5 to 10 minutes. When the installation is done, there is a two options which are view full logs and cancel update and repeat. Just choose the cancel update and repeat. After this, we are almost done. Just wait for it to update and we're good to go. So in here, just press enter. So now we are here. Let it finish and then press enter. So that's I have logged into my server. As you can see, I am not when I'm in the destination part or in this server, I'm not using any mouse or clicking something like that. I'm just using my keyboard to choose and select and to type anything I want. So as you can see, there is no graphical interface. All you get is the command type. So this is how server works in the real world. So that's it. So we're going to exam or update the server. So just type sudo apt update. Semicolon space sudo apt update and then press enter. Which services would you be restarted? So choose the cancel and then press enter. And there you'll have it. So we're done. And if you want to turn this off, the server off, just type shutdown now. And then look what will happen. And it turns off. So if you want to explore the other commands that you want to use or that will be needed to use in this server, just explore it on your own. And we can see that we successfully installed the Ubuntu server in VirtualBox. So that's all. Thank you for joining me today in this journey. I hope you've gained valuable insight and skills to navigate this process. If you found my tutorials helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update. Again, remember that the operating system is the heartbeat of every device we use. So stay curious, keep exploring, and keep learning. The world of operating system is evolving, and I'll be here to help you through it. Until next time, have a great day.